Dzulo mkulu wa bungwe loyendetsa zisankho kuno ku Malawi la Malawi Electoral Commission mayi anabela mtalimanja anachititsa msonkhano wa atolankhani press briefing mu mzinda wa Lilongwe kumene amakambapo mwanzina nkhani yokhudzana ndi audit imene azipani zotsutsa akufuna kuti ichitike ku bungwe la MEC. Ndiye kumkulankhula kwawo pameneko anadzaneranso kuti akuchenjeza anthu andale komanso ma influencers kuti asiye kumalankhula zambiri zokhudzana ndi ndondomeko yoyendetsa chisankho cha 16 September 2025 kuti zina wakhala zinthu zabodza zimene zikhoza kupangitsa kuti anthu ena ake agwe mphwayi osakavota. Nde kuyankha olemekezeka a Kamlepo Kalua amene ndi phungu wa nyumba ya malamulo ku Lumpi East amenena kuti iwowo salola kuti Winawake adziwopsyeza kapena kuwagwetsa mphwayi kuti asalankhule nkhani yokhudza ndi chisankho makamaka nkhani ya audit kuwaopsyeza kuti awamanga kugwiritsa ntchito cybercrimes act. Mkulankhula kwawo kunena kuti ayi inetu democracy ndinayivutikira ndipo malamulo ndimadziwa bwino pali malamulo mu Constitution Republic of Malawi imene imateteza ife anthu tikamafunsa mafunso ofunikira monga nkhani ya audit ya MEC. Ndeti nkhani imodzi pano pa Nyasa VoiceBox kuti Kamlepo Kalua akuti bwanji pa nkhani imeneyi ndipo akamaliza mutu za maganizo anu in the comment section below pompano pa Nyasa VoiceBox.
My appeal again to the Malawi Electoral Commission. I will never stop this, and I don't want to be intimidated by anybody. I suffered quite a lot during the one-party state. I did a lot during the one-party state to change the system from one party to multi-party. I was one of the people that fought for multi-party democracy. And I cannot just let things loose like this just because there's a cyber bill, which is an act of parliament. But let me remind those who might misinterpret the entire process of multi-party democracy and the constitution of this country. To begin with, Section 5 nullifies any act, anything, any law that is not in consistency with this constitution. That act, that law is null and void. So you may come up with a stupid act. You may come up with anything that is stupid to destroy democracy. That Section 5 is going to withstand that. Hence, again, my appeal to the Malawi Electoral Commission. Think about the people of this country. Think about the country. Think about the management of the elections. We don't want elections that are 40. We don't want elections that are actually a tool against certain people, Malawians. That is against, again, Section 20 of the Constitution, discrimination. Because what Malawi Electoral Commission is doing is against the spirit of the Constitution, which is Section 20. Musa cheated, discriminate against anybody. And the Malawi Electoral Commission has done that. And it can be challenged that it has indeed done something that is quite unusual. And we don't want any institution in Malawi to go against the Constitution. To begin with, the Malawi Electoral Commission did not give a chance in a multi-party democracy to register each and every eligible voter in the country. They have discriminated them. So that is against Section 20 of the Constitution. The Cybercrime Act, or Crime Act, the Cybercrime Act, cannot withstand the Section 20 of the Constitution. Ndeno zakuti inuyo muzitopyeza kuti muli ndi cybercrime yano yo act kuti ife tisamanene use in a multi-party democracy, then you are the ones that will be under trial. I am telling you, we cannot be intimidated by that. That act is narrow and void. And some of us, we suffered a lot during one-party system of government. And we cannot allow to surface again. Yes, you may put that arrest. Yes, you may come up with that arrest, but that can be challenged. Yes, some of us were even ready to go and wrote there. Just do it quickly, and do it now. Do it quickly and do it now, so that you can please your judges that are going to misinterpret the Constitution. Because if judges are going to misinterpret the Constitution disregarding Section 5 and Section 20 of the Constitution, then there's no need for them to be there even interpreting the Constitution according to Section 8 of the Constitution. Because that is the basis of their interpretation, the basis of their duties to say this is what they're going to do as a court of law. Now, we cannot be intimidated just because of this. I refuse to be intimidated. Malawi Electoral Commission, open up. We need free and fair elections. Open up, please. We need free and fair elections. We need access into the records of the Malawi Electoral Commission. We need to at least audit this mathematic instrument that is going to be used to oppress the poor Malawians. We need it now. And we need it now. Open up, Chair. Open up. Why are you hiding? Open up that institution. We need to see, to have access into that mathematic machine. We need to know exactly how many people registered in the north, how many people registered in central region, how many people registered in the south and eastern region. And we also need to know each and every constituency, a district, how many people register, so that at least we have the figures and we know that these are the figures that are going to vote, despite that, a 40 process. So we should not be intimidated, Malawi Electoral